Hi guys, I am coming to close my chicken coop up. So I don't know if you know this, but chickens at night, whenever the sun starts to go down, not even at night, just whenever the sun's starting to go down, what's that called? That's called sunset. At sunset or at dawn, they come in and they go into their little coop, and that's where they sleep at night. I don't even have to run around and chase them to get in here. They do it on their own. Good night, my little chicks. Everybody say bye.